大家好，欢迎来到跟陈老师学汉语。第2课，谢谢你。In this lesson, we'll learn 5 short Chinese conversations, and then we'll learn finals of Pinyin Part 2 and practice Pinyin reading. Last is the rules of Pinyin. The first conversation. 谢谢，不客气。谢谢 means thanks. 不客气 means you are welcome. In this phrase, 不 means no or not. 客气 means polite. So together, 不客气 literally it means don't be polite. And if we translate it by the meaning, it means you are welcome. The second conversation. 谢谢你，不客气。谢谢你，谢谢 means thank. 你 means you. Together, 谢谢你 thank you. The third conversation. 谢谢你，不用谢。不用 means no need to. 不 we've learned previously. It means no. 用 it has several meanings. In this conversation, it means need. So, 不用 means no need to. And 不用谢 literally it means no need to thank, which means you are welcome. The fourth conversation. 再见，再见。The first new word, 再 it means again. 见 it's a verb. It means to say or to meet. 再见 literally it means meet again or see again. And we say goodbye in English. In German, 再见 goodbye is Wiedersehen. Wieder means again, so in Chinese it's 再. Sehen means to see. In Chinese it's 见. So together, Wiedersehen, 再见. So now you find that the way we express the same idea in English and Chinese are not always the same. You cannot directly translate English into Chinese, and you may come across similar cases in the future. I hope you will get used to them very soon. The last conversation. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. It means bye. Pretty easy, right? Finals, part 2. In the lesson 1, we've learned the first part of the finals. In this lesson, we'll learn the rest of the finals. A-N-G is pronounced ang in Chinese. It's like you hear the sound in uncle. E-N-G is pronounced ng. I-N-G is pronounced in. O-N-G is pronounced on. I-A is pronounced ya. I-A-O is pronounced yao. I-A-N is pronounced yan. I-A-N-G is pronounced yang. I-O-N-G is pronounced yong. U-A is pronounced wa. U-O is pronounced wo. U-A-I is pronounced y. U-A-N is pronounced wan. U-A-N-G is pronounced wang. The last one is pronounced yuan. Okay, that's it. I believe it's pretty easy for you. You have all the sounds in English. Now, let's look at the pinyin table again. I'll read the first two rows for you. Bang, beng, bing, biao, bian, pang, peng, ping, piao, pian. I've read all the pinyins in the first tone, second tone, third tone, and fourth tone in separate videos. I'll put the links in the descriptions below so you can check them out. Okay, let's practice some more pinyin reading. 冰箱，鸡蛋，司机，足球，机场，爬山，手表，熊猫。Light tone. We've learned the light tone in the first lesson. If you forget, you can check it out later. Now, we'll practice some more Chinese light tones. The first one, Mama. The second one, 爸爸，爷爷，奶奶。They mean mother, father, grandfather, grandmother. Now we have some more to practice. 桌子，房子，椅子，柜子，他们，人们，我们，弟弟，衣服，儿子，喜欢，认识，先生，朋友，晚上，漂亮。Now we'll learn rules of pinyin. Tone marking. Tone marks in Chinese pinyin are put above vowels. When there are two or more vowels in the final of the syllable, the tone should be marked on the one that is pronounced with the mouth more wide open. The sequence being a, o, e, i, u, yu in the descending order. Let's read the pinyins. 学校，帮忙，篮球，女儿，游泳，手表，终于，公司，时间，身体，考试，国家，报纸，好吃，谢谢，客气。Okay, that's all for lesson 2. 谢谢，下节课再见。If you like my video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe the channel.